everyone to week 6 of our semester. For this week, we are covering 3 chapters of material. That's the first thing that I wanted to point out. Chapter 11 on eating disorders, Chapter 12 on nutrition throughout the world, and Chapter 13 on the safety of our food supply. So please keep this in mind as you plan for your week, that you have 3 chapters, 3 Learn Smart activities, and 3 quizzes. Our discussion board for the week is related to the topic of food safety, so keep that in mind as you cover Chapter 13, that you will have a discussion board to follow up on, and that discussion board requires you to find an article about a food safety issue. So you could start searching for that article. Something that you're going to want to do early in the week is part 3 of our diet analysis assignment. It is looking at your micronutrient and water intake. You will see the instructions on Blackboard, and similar to what you did in part 2 with the questions related to carbohydrate, protein, and fat, you're going to go through and look at your fat-soluble vitamins, your water-soluble vitamins, mineral intake, and answer some questions about dietary supplements. Please make sure that you read each question carefully, and some of them are yes and no answers, and some of them asks for explanation. So for example, the first one asks, did you meet the target 100% recommendation for the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K? So you will go back and you will look at the bar graph report, and next to vitamins A, D, E, and K, you will look at the percentage that you met. And so if not, which vitamins fall below the target 100%, include the percentages of the recommendation met. So if it's vitamin A, you'd write, okay, vitamin A, 60%. Vitamin D, 10%, whatever your numbers are. And then for the second one, it asks you to, for each vitamin target that you miss, list 2 specific foods you could consume to increase your intake of that vitamin. So you'll want to go look at the charts in your book that show the foods that contain those vitamins. And then, like in the previous assignment, it concludes with a paragraph of you explaining your intake related to the given topic and identify any specific changes that you could make to meet the DRI. So read each question carefully, answer all parts of the question. Once you have gone on to this document and answered the questions, and you've saved it as either a Word or a PDF document, you can click on the assignment, upload your paper with the answers, submit it, and you will be done with that part. That is all we have for the week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and get to work early. We only have 2 weeks left after this week, and it's going to go by fast. All right. Thank you for all your hard work.